episode of NowTeslafy. If you're new to the channel, my name is Sean, and this is a 2021 Model Y Performance. It is fall here in the Pacific Northwest, and luckily I've already got my winter set mounted. It is on the Tesla long range Gemini wheels. This is a set that you can order from Tesla Direct. They do come with the Pirelli rubber on it, and they worked awesome for me last winter. That said, they don't look quite as great as my Uber turbines. I've got those all stored for the winter. You can check that video out up here. And I found an awesome product to kind of help ease the pain a little bit. We're going to be checking out the Rimetrix Laminar wheel cover set for the Geminis exclusively that look like they're easy to install. They look pretty awesome. They're black, which is phenomenal. And they're made right here in the USA. So I'm really excited about that. Again, if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's check out the wheel covers. Here's the instructions that came with it. It looks like it's just a few easy steps. The first one is we're going to be installing the rim protection kit that's included in this envelope. And that's this side here. Nice soft cushy material. The second step is if you had the long range version, you had your own wheel covers on, you'd simply remove those. I get to skip that one. We'll be removing the center cap, of course, and then installing Laminar, essentially right on top of it. And then it even comes with an included center cap for this set specifically. I did ask if I'd be able to use aftermarket, but it looks like this center cap is specific for these rims, which is totally fine by me. So yeah, let's get the protection installed on this first set. Okay, so it says it wants us to start down here at the valve step, and we're just going to add 7 of these around the outside edge. All right, so I've got my 7 pieces on here, and one of the things that I actually kind of like is that while this stuff isn't super sticky, it's easy enough to kind of get in position, and there's just the slightest lip that you kind of rest it against from what I'm going to guess. And so that also allows you kind of pick up the sticky part and really make sure it's up against the rim or the edge, the little lip, and then kind of reposition it and make sure it's nice and tight. All right, I'm gonna get the other ones put on and then we'll get to the install. The one thing that's not in the steps, I'm gonna go ahead and take an extra step to do, is I'm actually gonna go ahead and clean off the rim a little bit more. And I'm just gonna use some glass cleaner and just give it a quick wipe down. So the instructions say that we just want to align the valve stem cap to the little dent here and then push it on. Look at that. Okay, just make sure it's nice and tight. I got some good snaps there. Okay, we've got the center cap cover. It just basically says that we need to align these tabs right to the slots there. Looks like I've got a little bit of excess plastic there from the inside, but okay, first one is on. Let's take a closer look. Okay, we've got the cover on. As you can see, it does cover even the edge of the rim just a hair. It does a really good job not showing any of the other spots of the Gemini wheel. And I was a little bit concerned that I wouldn't be able to see my calipers through it, but that looks great. All right, let's get the other ones on. So just a quick note here. I forgot to actually clean one of my wheels before I put the cover on. A little excited to get that done, but I had to remove one. And removing them is a little bit of a challenge, but if you've already having to remove your long range covers, it might not be the big deal. But I wanted to share that what you're looking for is these are the spots where the wheel actually, connects and clips on. So be aware of that as you're pulling off from the outside, that's about the spot, right about there is where you're gonna wanna grab as you're pulling on the wheel cover to get it unloosed from each spot. So that will be handy for when you have to remove the wheel cover. So these suckers got pretty dirty. Let's see how well they clean off. So I got the rinse complete. I'm gonna go ahead and dry it off just to see what we get when it can dry, but looks like it's cleaned up pretty good. Alright, so covers are all dried off now. It definitely looks a lot better and they clean up really nicely. Here's the towel I use just for context, and it should be a lot dirtier than that. I mean, I spent a while cleaning it off, but by and large, they clean up really easy. And one of the things that I really like about these is that they're very similar to the Uber turbines. So cleaning the Uber turbines is so quick, so easy, and probably the easiest rim I've ever cleaned. This is a really good option for a wheel cover, similar shape, similar design. So, and even the blades are a little bit wider, so maybe it makes it a little bit easier to clean them. Really happy with them. So you can head over to rimetrix.com, rimetrix.com, and then right here, Laminars on the homepage. Currently, as of late February 2023, they are on sale, and so definitely check that out. One of the things I did not talk about that if you are interested in, they do provide an upgrade in overall efficiency as well. That's not something that really is in my mind when I bought these. Again, I was mostly looking for looks, but they have testing here that proves that their aerodynamics, their design is actually a net gain over the Gemini wheels that come on here. So some really fantastic numbers here in efficiency, and that might be important to folks that might travel a lot. So they do also offer replacement parts as well. So I definitely recommend checking out their website and having a look and seeing if Laminars are a great option for you. I really enjoy my set, and I hope this video was informational for you and that you found it useful. Again, if you did like it, I definitely appreciate a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. I will definitely answer it, and we'll catch you next time. Now Teslafy.